What criteria do the Ielts examiner use when scoring you in the Ielts writing task? So they have 4 criteria, which I'll be telling you in these videos, and each criteria accounts for 25% of the total Ielts score. Criteria number 1, we have the task achievement. So what do they look at when we talk of task achievement? It depends on the Ielts task we are talking about, be it the academic or the general. So in terms of the general, for writing task 1, they check if you've answered all parts of the letter and if you've used the correct tone in writing the letter that you've been given. In part 1 of the Ielts writing academic, they check if you've summarized the data and you've made comparison. And in part 2 or task 2 of both the general and academic, they look at how you've structured your essay from the introduction, the body paragraphs, and the conclusion, and how well you've been able to give reasons and examples in your essay. The next criteria that the Ielts examiner assesses is what we call the lexical resource, which refers to the use of a wide range of vocabulary and using them appropriately. So for instance, to avoid repetition, if you are referring to the advantages of urbanization, you can say, the first paragraph you can say advantages, in another one you can say the benefits, in another one you can say the positives. So it shows the use of a wide range of vocabulary and also you've used them correctly. Also under lexical resource, they also check for spelling errors. The third criteria we have is coherence and cohesion, which refers to the logical flow and organization of ideas. For instance, if you are doing a cause effect essay and you're supposed to set the causes of air pollution, for your essay to have a logical flow, it means that, for instance, in body paragraph 1, you have to tell us the causes of air pollution, you explain to us the causes, then you go ahead and give us an example, and then you can conclude the paragraph. That means now your essay will have a flow. That is what coherence and cohesion refers to. The last and the fourth criteria that they use in marking the Ielts writing task is the grammatical range and accuracy, which refers to the use of a variety of sentences. So you should be able to use the simple, the compound, and the complex sentences. They will also check on your subject-verb agreement. They'll also check if you've used the tenses correctly, be it the present, the past, or the future tenses. And also they'll also be checking on how you punctuated your work.